Another question that I'm actually very curious about is speculating right now, but I could imagine that the gender that abused you, which in this case are men, also scattered your trust towards that gender. Did you struggle with trusting men? And if you did, how did you rebuild that trust again? And how can we, whichever gender that person is abused by, help in rebuilding that trust?
Oh my goodness, yes. I had severe trust issues with men, especially because it was a man who abused me for many, many years, and then a young man who raped me, a colleague. So, and one thing that I did is I withdrew from girlfriends too, because I didn't know who to trust. And you don't talk about those things back then. Now we're talking about it over coffee almost. Um, so it took many years to trust men. And now what I have to say is I am learning to trust my intuition more because I meet people that I know, okay, I can't trust you. There's just something a little off about you. So the trust comes in first, trusting yourself and trusting how you feel about something and trusting that it's okay to feel whatever you're feeling. There's no right or wrong. Just allow yourself whatever you're feeling. I think once you start trusting yourself, loving yourself, trusting your intuition, that that gut feeling, that's when you can start trusting others. You have to trust yourself first. And when I met my husband, I didn't get married till I was 41. Some people get married in their 20s or 30s. I waited till 40. I'm glad I did. No regrets there either. But, I knew I could trust him. I just knew that I could trust him. I trust his, the way he treats me, that he doesn't lie, cheat on me. I just trusted that he wasn't going to do to me what had been done to me in the past. And that's because I trusted myself first to really get in tune with myself.
Was there anything that he did that greatly also that helped in rebuilding trust?
He was respectful. I don't. He treated me like a lady. He didn't lie or cheat. We met at a function through an association work, and he lived in one part of the state and I lived on the other. I just trusted that he wasn't out, messing around with other women. He wanted to be with me. And I knew that that's what I wanted. And finally, I attracted it. And I allowed myself to have it. That's the big key here. Because before that, I would only allow men who were abusing me in my life. And I know that. That's what I was attracting because that's all I knew.